Hello everybody! I've got a new sound ready for you. It is the sound R. R. Repeat with me. R. R. Excellent. It's very easy. Look at this picture. In the picture, there is a girl that has sore throat. Ow, 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 sore throat. So she goes to the doctor. And what does the doctor say? Open your mouth and say, ah. Well, that's the action for this sound. Ah. Ah. It's very easy, isn't it? Yes. Okay, now we are going to listen to the song. Pay attention.
Open wide, the doctor said, oh, oh. Let me look at your sore throat, please say, oh.
Can you think of any English word with the sound R? We know lots of them. You want to have some examples? Here they are. Words with the sound R. What is this? Yeah, it's an arm. How do we write the word arm? Sound number 1, R. Sound number 2, excellent. R, arm. Let's see the next one. What is this? Yeah, you're right. It is a farm. Sound number 1. Well done. Sound number 2. Ah, excellent. Sound number 3. Well done, chicos. R, farm. What is this? Yeah, this is easy. This is a car. Sound number 1. K. Sound number 2. R. K. R. Car. Excellent. And the last one. What is this? Shark. Excellent. Shark. Okay. Sound number 1. Remember, 2 letters, 1 sound. Sh. Excellent. Sh. Sound number 2. R. And sound number 3. K. Well done. Shark. Shark. Excellent, chicos. This is all for today. Bye bye.